Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Mailgun for scalable email strategy detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type mailgun.com and press enter. Once the website loads, locate the login button at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you'd like to stay logged in on this device, check the Remember Me box. Once you've entered your credentials, click the blue Login button. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the password field. Follow the prompts to reset your password via email. After logging in, you will land on the Mailgun dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the main navigation menu on the left side of the screen. You can access features like sending, receiving, and analytics from this menu. To add a new domain for your email strategy, click on Domains in the menu. Then select Add Domain to begin the setup process. Follow the instructions provided to verify your domain. Once verified, you can start sending and tracking emails effectively. For additional configurations, explore the Settings section in the main menu. This section allows you to manage API keys, webhooks, and security settings. Keep your account details safe for your email strategy to thrive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.